Good morning everybody, my name is Boom and today I am going to show you all of my drawing materials. So let's gather all of our weapons. So the first weapon in our arsenal is an mechanical pencil. Tan tan ta. A mechanical pencil can be very useful. As you can see, it has a very fine tip. I mean thin tip. Oh fine? Fine thin. Okay. There are many mechanical pencils which are made up of metal. But currently I am using this actually I am using this mechanical pencil at the time which has an plastic body. It is really cheap and you can buy it from any bookstores around 20 rupees. If you are still using an wooden pencil, I recommend you to switch to an mechanical pencil. So what I'm going to do is draw Thor using both the pencil, mechanical pencil and the wooden pencil. As you can see, both the drawings are not so different, but the one I draw using a mechanical pencil is much more cleaner than wooden pencil. Well, the reason is my wooden pencil wasn't sharp enough, and that's the first difference. So that's the first difference. And mechanical pencil doesn't need sharpening, but wooden pencil does. And with the help of a mechanical pencil, you can actually give much more details to your drawings. Okay, so let's move on to my charcoal pencils. Using an charcoal pencil can be a really big help in learning the basics of shading. With only one charcoal pencil, you can shade from darker to lighter, as I am doing on Thor's hair. Okay, so these are the four pencils that I use for my pencil drawings, including mechanical pencil and the wooden pencil I showed you earlier. I use 2B, 5B, 6B and 8B pencils. Each pencils can give you a different shade from lighter to darker. And I also have these pens for outlining some drawings. You can also call these manga pens. I bought these pens from Amazon around 500 rupees. Each pen has a number on them which tell you uh, they actually tell you that which pen has thinner lines and which has uh, uh, you get the idea. Now to outline the drawing. So I am using different pen to outline different areas. For example, I am using 005 to outline his eyebrows and his eyes and his beard, and for the face outline I am using 02, and to color his eye patch and his collar I am going to use 05 and 08. Okay, so now these are the pencil color that I used to color my drawings and I'm currently using to color my drawings. So the first color pencils are the Dome's pencil color. These pencil color I used to draw, I used to color my drawings with these colors. The Dome's pencil color has a set of 12, and the second is the Faber-Castell pencil colors. It has a set of 24, and currently I am using these pencil colors to color my drawings. I actually have a set of 24 of Dome's pencil color and a set of 42 of Faber-Castell pencil colors. So I used this Dome's pencil color back when I was on 6th class. But after the 12th, I bought this Faber-Castell pencil color because I started to notice that these Dome's color are good, but they don't blend easily and they don't give a realistic look. I'm not saying that Dome's pencil colors are bad, but Dome's pencil color doesn't have that much depth. If you want me to create a separate video about both the pencil colors, comment down below. Okay, so now let's move on to my last set of pencil colors. Oil pastel colors. I used oil pastel colors for the background of the drawings. Using a cotton bud, you can actually blend both the colors. And this thing, I don't think this thing has much purpose other than removing the extra layers of colors. And you can use this pencil, which is comes with an set. You can also write on the top of the I mean camel oil pastel colors. What is happening, man? BA, BA, not BA for Bachelor of Arts. BA Boom Arts. Oh, sorry, I almost forgot that I also have these. You see, I'm not very good at watercolors, so I bought these colors from Amazon. These are the brush markers. These markers have a brush on top of them instead of having tips. I can use this brush marker as a watercolors like this or like this. And the last but not least, I use this black marker to color larger areas. And that's all for today's folks. If you like my video, give a thumbs up, comment, share, and do subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Oh no, wait. I also have these sketch markers. I forgot to mention. I also have these sketch markers that I use to color my drawings. Mostly to create a base and to blend with the pencil colors. Like this. I actually have a bucket of sketch markers or a jar. Okay, so now I'm pretty much sure that that was the last set of colors. Phew. Okay, so I will see you guys on my next video.